The first question of this science oral test is name two cell organelles that have their own genetic material. This is my first question. Okay. Yes, Nishtha, your answer.
Mitochondria and plastids.
Okay, Manav.
Mitochondria and plastids.
Same answer. Next question again, raise your hand. Nishtha, switch on your camera. And the question is, name the cell organelle which is able to destroy a damaged cell. Nishtha, switch on your camera. Name the cell organelle which is able to destroy a damaged cell. Yes, Himank, your answer.
Sir, lysosomes.
I don't know. Nishtha, switch on your camera. Yes, good. Okay. My next question is, name the process in which diffusion takes place through a selectively permeable membrane. Name the process in which diffusion takes place through a selectively permeable membrane. Yes, Aaron, your answer.
Phagocytosis.
Okay. Any other student who knows the answer of this question? Okay. Fourth question. State two important function of nucleus of a cell. State two important function of the nucleus of a cell. State two important function of the nucleus of a cell. This is my next question. Only one student. Yes, Aaron. Aaron, you can give your answer.
It directs and controls the activities of the cell.
Okay.
And in eukaryotic cells, the nuclear region is not well defined, and in prokaryotic cells, the nuclear region is.
Okay. Any other student who wants to answer this question? Yes, Nishtha, your answer.
It is the headquarter of the cell and control all the cellular activities.
Fine. Okay. My next question is, ये आई थिंक सभी को आता होगा, थोड़ा स्पीड रखना, ठीक है. Which organelles are called? First point, powerhouse of the cell. Which organelles are called powerhouse of the cell? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes, Manav.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Okay. Which organelles are called societal bag? Mank. Mank, your answer.
Sir, lysosomes.
Sorry.
Ribosome.
Lysosome. Okay. And next question is, carefully listen the question. Give one word answer to the following. Organelles containing chlorophyll. Raise your hand. Organelles containing chlorophyll. ऐसा कौन सा सेल ऑर्गेनिल्स होता है जिसमें क्लोरोफिल होता है? ऑर्गेनिल्स कंटेनिंग क्लोरोफिल। ऑर्गेनिल्स कंटेनिंग क्लोरोफिल। यस निष्ठा?
Plastid.
Which plastic? You have to specify the name of that plastic.
Chloroplast. Chloroplast.
Very good. Very good. Good answer. Next one is give one word answer. Question वही या उसका next part है, ठीक है? This is the next part of the same question. An organelle with cristae. ये मैंने डायग्राम के थ्रू आपके साथ डिस्कस किया था. क्रिस्टे ही होता है. ऐसा कौन सा ऑर्गेनिल होता है जिसमें क्रिस्टे ही होता है? Organelles containing cristae. Yes, Aaron, your answer?
Mitochondria.
Very good. Very good. An organelle with ribosome attached to its surface. R for ribosomes hint भी दिया था आपको. Yes, Himank?
Sir, rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Very good. Very good. The next part is an organelles which having living matter of the cell.
Sir, please repeat.
Having living matter of the cell. Give one word answer to the following. Next part of the question is living matter of the cell. Cell का living matter को क्या कहते हैं? It's not a organelle. I'm rectifying my error. It's not a organelle. आपको सिर्फ ये बताना है जो सेल का living matter होता है उसको क्या कहा जाता है? What do we call the living matter of the cell? Yes, Aaron.
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. Any other answer, Nishta?
Protoplasm.
Protoplasm. Very good. Protoplasm is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following are present in the animal cell? Which of the following are present in the animal cell? First one is chloroplast. First one is chloroplast. Second one is nucleus. Third one is vacuoles. Fourth one is cell wall. And fifth one is mitochondria.
Sir, which are not or which are in it?
These are the option and the question is, I am repeating question again. Which of the following are present in the animal cell? Which of the following are present in the animal cell? Yes, Manav, your answer.
Nucleus.
Okay. That's it, only nucleus. This is your answer. Out of the 5 options, only nucleus present in the animal cell. As per your answer, Manav. Okay, your answer has been completed. Nishtha, your answer.
Nucleus, vacuoles, and mitochondria.
Sorry, I didn't get. Repeat it again.
Nucleus, vacuoles, mitochondria.
Okay. Nucleus, vacuoles, and mitochondria. Is it the final answer, Nishtha? Okay, Aaron, your answer.
Nucleus, mitochondria, and vacuole.
Nucleus, mitochondria, and
Vacuole.
vacuoles. Okay, fine. Next question is, Which organelle is called factory of ribosomes? Which organelle is called factory of ribosomes? Which organelle is called factory of ribosomes? Yes, Aryan.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Okay. Yes, Nishta, your answer.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum. Correct answer is nucleolus. Okay. Correct answer is nucleolus. Nucleolus. Next question is, why are the ribosomes called protein factories? Why are the ribosomes called protein factories? फैक्ट्री का मतलब क्या होता है तो आपको समझ में आई क्या होगा? Why are ribosomes called protein factories? Why are ribosomes called protein factories? Yes, Nishta.
Ribosomes are called protein factories because it is the main site where proteins are synthesized.
Okay. Aryan, your answer?
Ribosomes are for protein factories because they are the main site where proteins are synthesized.
Okay. Next question is, why is nucleus called controller of the cell? Why is nucleus called controller of the cell? Yes, Aryan.
Nucleus is called the controller of cell because it controls all the activities done in the cell.
Okay. Nishta, your answer?
Nucleus is called the what was the question?
Okay. This type of plastid help in photosynthesis. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. This type of plastid help in photosynthesis. This type of plastids help in photosynthesis. Yes, Himang.
Sir, chloroplast.
Very good. Very good. Chloroplast is the right answer. What is the function of cellulose in plant cell? My next question. What is the function of cellulose in plant cell? Only one student. Yes, Aryan, your answer?
It helps in the synthesis of cell wall.
Repeat it again.
It helps in the synthesis of cell wall.
Okay. Well, the exact answer is it provides strength to the plant. ठीक है? जो cellulose होते हैं, they provide strength to the plant, structural strength to the plant. Exactly आप इसको ऐसे बोल सकते हो. Next question is, what is plasmolysis? My next question is, what is plasmolysis? Yes, Aryan, please.
When the plant cell loses water through the process of osmosis, there is a shrinkage of contents of the cell away from the cell wall, and this is called plasmolysis.
Very good, very good. My next question is there any animal cell that lack lysosomes? क्या कोई ऐसा animal cell होता है जिसमें lysosomes नहीं होता है? Is there any animal cell that lack lysosomes? Yes, Aryan.
Bacteria.
Himang.
Sir, no.
Answer is mammalian RBCs. Mammalian. MAMALLIN. Mammalian RBCs. Red blood corpuscles. RBC सुना ना, red blood cells भी बोलते हैं. Mammalian RBCs is the animal cells which lack lysosomes. ठीक है? Nucleus is called brain of the cell. Why? I think ये हो चुका है. Cell wall is made up of which component? Raise your hand. Cell wall is made up of which component? Iman,
Sir, protein and lipids.
Rishta,
Cellulose.
cellulose. Cellulose is the right answer. Who proposed the cell theory? ये मैंने आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन में भी दिया था क्वेश्चन, एंड आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये अब आपको पता होना चाहिए. Who proposed the cell theory? Yes, Aryan.
Sheldon and Swan.
Very good, awesome. My next question is, listen it carefully. If the swollen resin is put into the salt solution, if the swollen resin means kishmish, okay, put into the salt solution, what will happen? If the swollen resin put into the salt solution, then what will happen? अब आपको सिर्फ ये देखना है, स्वलन का मतलब ऑलरेडी उसमें वाटर कंटेंट है, लेकिन सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन में अब ये देखो पानी बाहर जाता है या अंदर जाता है, अकॉर्डिंगली आपको आंसर करना है. विल इट बी मोर swallowed और shrink? I have already given the hint. Yes, Manav, your answer.
Shrink.
It will shrink in size. Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. It will shrink in size. My next question is, name the cell organelle from which lysosomes arise. Name the cell organelle from which lysosomes arise. लाइसोसोम जो आपका एराइज होता है किस सेल ऑर्गेनेल से बनता है या प्रोड्यूस होता है? नेम द सेल ऑर्गेनेल विच फ्रॉम विच लाइसोसोम्स अराइज. एंड द चलो पहले इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दो. आंसर इज गोल्गी एपरेटस. इज इट क्लियर? ये मैंने डिस्कस किया था नोट्स में, इफ यू रिमेंबर. और आपको ये क्वेश्चन हमने ऐसे भी पढ़ा था कि अगर गोल्गी, इफ देयर इज नो गोल्गी एपरेटस देन व्हाट विल हैपन. एंड वी सेड अगर इफ देयर इज नो गोल्गी एपरेटस देन देयर वोंट बी एनी सिंथेसाइज और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लाइसोसोम. एंड विदाउट लाइसोसोम जो अब जो अगला क्वेश्चन है वो उसी से रिलेटेड है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्टेट वन फंक्शन ऑफ लाइसोसोम. रेज योर हैंड. स्टेट वन फंक्शन ऑफ लाइसोसोम. यस निष्ठा प्लीज.
It helps in digestion and is called what waste disposal of the cell.
Waste disposal. Fine. My next question is, name the organelle present only in plant which has their own. चलो इतना बता दो. Name the organelle present only in plant. ऐसे कौन से ऑर्गेनिल्स होते हैं जो सिर्फ प्लांट में ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं? ये अभी आपको मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा, अगर वो आपकी माइंड में है तो यू कैन इजीली आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. नेम द ऑर्गेन विच प्रेजेंट ओनली इन प्लांट. और आप ऐसे समझो, नेम द ऑर्गेन प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट बट नॉट इन एनिमल सेल. यस मानव.
Cell wall.
Okay. One is cell wall, other one is
Plastids. Sir, plastids.
very good. My next question is, name the cell organelle which serve as a channel for transport of material between cytoplasm and nucleus. Name the cell organelle which serve as a channel for transport of materials between cytoplasm and nucleus. Yes, Nishtha, please.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Very good. Endoplasmic reticulum is the right answer. Next question. What are chromosomes made up of? What are chromosomes made up of? Aryan.
DNA and protein.
Very good. Very good. DNA and protein. Which cell organelle is called the powerhouse of a cell and why? ये हो चुका है हमारा question. What is endocytosis? And in which organism this process takes place? I am asking two questions. What is endocytosis? First question. And the second question, in which organism this process takes place? First of all, answer first question. What is endocytosis? Yes, Imang.
So it is a process to take food for the amoeba.
Repeat it again. Imang, give your answer. Repeat it again.
Sir, it is a process of taking food for amoeba.
What's the process? Okay, fine. You have given one of the answer. In which organism it took place? That is amoeba. But the question is how this process takes place. That is the question. You have to clarify that. Yes, Nishtha, please.
Amoeba uses temporary finger-like extension and diffuses over the food and form a food vacuole. In the food vacuole, the substances are broken into similar substances and they diffuse into cytoplasm.
Good. Yes, Aaron, your answer.
And endocytosis is the proteins from outside, from the cell membrane.
Okay. Next question is, where does the ATP synthesis occur in mitochondria? Where does the ATP synthesis occur in mitochondria? Where does the ATP synthesis occur in mitochondria? Mitochondria में जो ATP synthesis होता है वो कहाँ पर होता है? Means kind of कहाँ पर store होता है? Cristae. Okay. Where? Cristae. Name two structures which are found in plant cell. ये तो हो जाता है. What is the role of iodine solution for a cell? What is the role of iodine solution for a cell? Yes, Imam, please.
Sir, give it the color.
Aaron?
Color.
Iodine solution is used to see the nucleus present in the cell.
Any other student? It is used to test for the presence of starch in a cell. Is it clear? It is used to test the presence of starch in a cell. Iodine solution. Which scientist coined the term cell? तो बहुत सिंपल है. Which scientist coined 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 the term cell? Cell नाम किसने दिया था? जैसे आपका नाम कुछ है, मेरा नाम कुछ है, ये किसी ने हम पंडित को बुलाते हैं. हमारे केस में बोला किसने नाम दिया था, हम कह देंगे जी पंडित को बुलाया था, उसने बताया, पापा ने रखा, मम्मी ने रखा, किसी ने भी रखा. वो इस तरह से. यहाँ सेल नाम किसने रखा था और इसकी हिस्ट्री क्या है? थोड़ी मुझे हिस्ट्री भी एक्सप्लेन करनी पड़ेगी आपको, तभी मैं इसके पॉइंट दूंगा. मानव.
Robert Hooke.
रॉबर्ट हुक कैसे किया था? क्या किस बेसिस पर उसने ये नाम दिया था?
He used a primitive microscope to observe cell in corks.
ठीक है. निष्ठा, completely.
In 6065, Robert Wood examined the cell of a cock, a thin slice of cock, and he saw honeycombs which consist of many compartments.
Yes, Aaron.
In 1665, Robert Hooke has seen the cork slice under a primitive microscope and termed the quantum cell.
Nank, your answer.
Sir, in 1665, Robert Hooke discovered cell while examining a thin slice of cork through a cell-designed microscope. He observed a honeycomb-like structure with numerous tiny compartments in it, which he named cell.
In which year Robert Hooke discovered cell?
Sir, in 1665.
भैया आपने खुद ही पहले स्टार्ट कर दिया काम। बस ये आपको सिर्फ हैंड रेज करना है, ठीक है? मैं पूछूंगा, मैं बताऊंगा किसको आंसर देना है, ठीक है? डोंट बी इन अ हरी। नेम द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेलेक्टिव मूवमेंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस थ्रू सेमी परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन। Name the process of selective movement of substances through semi-permeable membrane. Osmosis. Okay. Osmosis is the spontaneous net movement of water across the semi-permeable membrane. Okay. Next question is, mitochondria and plastids are able to synthesize some of their own protein. Why? Mitochondria and plastids are able to synthesize some of their own protein, and why? भाई कोई प्रोटीन की फॉर्मेशन कर रहा है तो उसके पास ऐसी क्या चीज होगी वो कर पा रहा है सर? यस निष्ठा?
So they have ribosomes.
They have ribosomes. Aaron, any other? Apart from ribosomes, is there anything? DNA and ribosome, right? DNA and ribosome. Mitochondria contain DNA and ribosome. In which cell organism the complete breakdown of glucose in presence of oxygen takes place? फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, I am repeating it again. In which cell organism complete breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen takes place? जो एनर्जी की फॉर्मेशन करता है उसी में ये पॉसिबल है। मैं आपको हिंट दे रहा हूँ, अगर आप किसी को पावर हाउस कह रहे हो तो इसका मतलब यही है कि वही ग्लूकोज को ऑक्सीजन के साथ ऑक्सीडाइज करके, बिकॉज व्हेन वंस ऑक्सीजन ऑक्सीडाइज विद द फूड देयर इज अ लिबरेशन ऑफ एनर्जी। ओके नाउ मानव आप तो बताओ यार, आप भी प्लीज यू हैवंट रेज योर हैंड। मानव आई एम गिविंग द हिंट।
Mitochondria.
वो आपने नहीं किया, मुझे कहा था हैंड रेज करने के लिए। यस माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज द राइट आंसर। Mitochondria is the right answer. Next question is, who coined? I think ये आपके लिए ज्यादा हो जाएगा। Which molecule in a cell are known as the energy currency of the cell? Man, switch on your camera. Okay, good. Only 2, 3, good. Which molecule in a cell are known as the energy currency of the cell? Aaron?
Adenosine triphosphate.
Adenosine triphosphate. Very good. Adenosine triphosphate. What is the role of ribosomes in a cell? What is the role of ribosomes in a cell? Ishta?
It is the main site where proteins are synthesized.
Yes, Aaron?
It synthesizes proteins which are used to make cell membrane.
Good. Next question. I don't think you may find it difficult to answer this question, but just give it a try. Their stroma is present in a cell. Stroma, S-T-R-O-M. Their stroma is present in a cell. Their stroma is present in a cell. Aaron?
Plastid.
Plastids, very good. Which plastid? Can you answer it further? Which plastid?
Chloroplast.
Very good. Excellent. Which structure is found in plant cell but absent in animal cell? ये हो चुका है. Don't answer this question. Which is the most widely occurring plastic? Which is the most widely occurring plastic? Yes, Aaron.
Chloroplast.
Very good. Name the pigment that imparts red and yellow color to flowers. Name the pigment that imparts red and yellow color to flowers. Red and yellow color to flowers. कुछ फ्लावर्स का कलर रेड होता है, कुछ फ्लावर्स का कलर येलो होता है. Because of which pigment it happens? Name the pigments. Yes, Nishta.
Chromoplast.
Sorry.
Chromoplast.
Chromoplast. Okay. Yes. Aaron, your answer.
Leucoplast.
Leucoplast. Manav, your answer.
Chloroplast.
Its exact answer is xanthophyll. XANTHOPHYLL. Chloroplast impart green color. Xanthophyll is a pigment which imparts red and yellow color. Is it clear? Xanthophyll is the pigment which imparts red and yellow color. Okay. What does the nucleus contain? Nucleus में क्या क्या होता है? Yes, Aaron.
Chromosomes and chromatin material.
Good, very good. Which solution apart from iodine solution can be used to stain the cells? Which solution apart from iodine solution can be used to stain the cells? मैंने बताया ये वर्ड यूज भी किया था, if you remember. Which solution apart from iodine solution can be used to stain the cells? Yes, Aaron.
Saffron solution.
Saffron solution. Very good, excellent. Saffron solution. The nuclear membrane which envelops the nucleus is selectively permeable by. The nuclear membrane which envelops the nucleus is selectively permeable by. Ishta?
Nuclear membrane is selectively permeable in nature because it controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. It allows some minerals in and prevents other movement of minerals.
Good one, good one, good one. Write an example of diffusion in a plant. Write an example of diffusion in a plant. Iman, yes?
Sir, photosynthesis taking off oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Sir, respiration, sorry, respiration, plant respiration.
Ishta?
Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Okay. Now, let me ask you NCERT question. What is membrane biogenesis? What is membrane biogenesis? Yes, Aaron?
The process of making cell membrane by using proteins and lipids are called. This process is called cell membrane biogenesis.
Okay. Next question is, why is the cell called the structure and function unit of life? Why is the cell called the structure and function unit of life? या तो डायरेक्टली मैं एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, तो बाकी याद खड़े करो. Why is cell called the structure and function unit? Yes, Manav, please.
Cell constitution various components of plants and animals. Cell is the smallest unit of life and is capable of all living functions. Cells are building block of life. This is the reason why cells are referred to as basic structure and function unit of life.
Sir, your answer.
Cell constitute of various components of plants and animals. It is the smallest unit who can perform all the functions of the cell, and they are also called building blocks of cell. That's why they are called basic structure and functional unit of life, and its shape depend on the functions it performs.
Okay. How would you differentiate between plants and an animal cell? One by one. Aran, any one difference between plants and an animal cell?
Plant cell have a cell wall, but animal cell does not have a cell.
Iman, next difference.
Plant cell has plastid, but animal cell don't have plastids.
Nishta,
Plants have larger size of vacuoles and animal cells have small size.
very good, very good, very good. My next question is, how do substances like CO2 and water move in and out of the cell? Discuss. Name the process and explain the process. Manav,
By process diffusion and osmosis. Diffusion, movement of gas from a region of high concentration to low concentration. Osmosis, movement of water from a region of high concentration to low concentration.
okay.